So, what number you want to do on top?
Oh, so I'll get another 2 on the top.
2 on top,
Yeah.
and 0 on the sides.
Yeah.
You're gonna buzz it.
Yeah.
You'll do buzz. Yeah, buzz. I can't, mate. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Let's do it. This your first time with it?
Yeah.
Have you buzzed it before? Or this your first time?
That's fine.
Oh yeah, good. It's gonna be fun. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How about if we keep it longer at the top?
Yeah.
You want to keep it longer, like that way?
How much longer?
Like this way? This is a nice style. Leave it like that.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You agree with everything, mate?
Yeah.
I like it.
I just leave it to you.
Thanks so much. Habib. Oh. You know, nice feeling when you shave someone hair.
Hmm?
Nice feeling when you shave someone hair. Have you tried before?
No.
Shave someone hair, man?
Haven't
It's
never.
a nice feeling.
No.
Here we go. How about if I do 0 on the top, 1 on the sides?
0 on the top.
1 on sides, yeah. Opposite. Gonna be new style, Mike. We fade it up to down.
You ever tried that?
It's gonna be my first one to do it. Shave everything off. You have nice hair, do you know that?
What?
You have very nice hair.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want to shave your hair off? Same? Actually, I shave his hair off because he make me upset. So don't make me upset, Mike. Be careful. No, he asked for it, Mike. Nah, today is off. Last one, I give him Buzzcut. I record the video and I put it on my TikTok, reach
Yeah.
1.6 million.
Oh, really?
So I'm gonna make you famous today.
Oh, yeah.
Prepare yourself. So here we will start with the 0, mid fade, put the 0 in the middle. Have you had any style back in the day? Have any barber done the haircut for you? Like any mistake, like stuff like that done by mistake?
No, not really, but during COVID,
Yeah?
you know how all the barbers are pretty much closed?
Yeah?
And my hair got too long, so my mom shaved my whole head.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was like, probably just to shave it all off.
What number?
Like, completely, like, zero ever.
Zero? Oh,
Yeah.
all over?
Yeah. And it kind of grew out to like a mushroom hair kind of thing.
So unless free haircut,
Yeah.
no one charges you for it. So it was a worst haircut ever for you?
And probably, but it wasn't. I didn't really care too much because it was too long by that point. So I'd rather have like no head and all that hair.
So next step, we jump to number half. We will open. Maybe next time ask your mom to watch this video to do it for you. So next step, there's a small guideline between the 0 and the half. That's what we try to remove. So we open the clipper halfway and we hit only this one. Just midway. Now I'll put number 2 again, and I'll try to make sure everything clean before I jump to the next step. Hi boss. Next step, we're gonna use number 1.5, level open and halfway. Now, last step, we're gonna use number 0.5 level open and we remove this gap line. How about the front? Do you like to keep it natural or do you want to box it?
I can't see.
No worries.
What's that?
I'll
Like this.
show you. So the front, you see the front?
Yeah.
You want to keep it natural like that? So happy with that or you want to box it, make a box, clean it like line?
I think natural's fine. I think like this is
Natural is fine. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let me just clean a bit of it.
Yeah.
Here we go. Good?
Yeah.
Happy?
Oh, yeah.
Like it? Show you the back.
Oh, yeah.
Happy with it?
Yeah.
See, that's what I tell you. Like when you start from zero,
Yeah.
like better than you start with only for number one. You show the difference between the size and the top.
Yeah.
Better than do just like 1 to 2. It will look like all over. Number one all over. Number.